Hello, I'm Lynn, a senior designer at 𝓜𝓪𝓼𝓽𝓮𝓻𝓬𝓵. Over the years, I have learned that designing a home is never just about creating something that looks good. It's about understanding how a family lives, how they move throughout the space, and how the home support their everyday routine. This masterclass series is where we share the thinking behind our projects, not just the finished result, but the decision, the challenges, and the progress to shape the home along the way. This particular project was for a family of 5 living in a large space. Their intention was very clear from the beginning. They wanted a home that felt refined but still warm and bright for a daily family life. And for this project, the key starting point was light. The home has a strong natural lighting, but the original layout prevents the light from fully reaching different parts of the house. Wall divided the space into a smaller section, which makes certain areas feel enclosed despite the size of the home. One of the first conversations we had with the homeowner was about how they wanted the house to feel. They don't want a formal or segmental layout. They wanted an openness, a space where family members can move freely, interact naturally, and feel connected even when doing different activities. If you look at the original floor plan, you can see how the wall separated the living, dining, and common area. The light was entering from one side but could not travel throughout the whole entire house. By knocking down those walls, we allowed the space to open up completely. This created a longer sidelines and allowed natural light to flow from one end of the house to another. The open concept layout was not only about making the house look bigger, it was about improving how the space functioned for the family, allowed flexibility for a daily living as well as a larger family gathering. When you remove the walls, you are not just changing the space physically, you are changing how people experience the home. Movement becomes more natural and the home feels more alive. Once the layout was opened up, the next step was ensuring that the design supported the natural light rather than blocking it. Material selection was carefully considered so that lights could reflect softly across surface instead of being absorbed. When the design elements relate to each other quietly, the home feels cohesive. Cornice detailing above the carpentry add depth and texture, creating a timeless quality that softens the modern luxury elements. For a family home, storage is always a major consideration. With an open concept space, clutter becomes more invisible. So storage has to be integrated carefully into the design. Built-in storage was designed to build into the wall and carpentry, allowed the space to remain organized without interrupting the vision flow. One of the key highlights is the large feature wall, which acts as a center point where the family gathers during events and celebrations. It anchors the space while reinforcing the idea of togetherness. A home should support both everyday living and special moments. The design needs to do both naturally. The sense of luxury in this home comes from materials choices. The waterfall countertop introduced a strong, elegant statement while being a focus point in the kitchen. A large format tiles was selected to reduce a vision break, allowed the space to look larger and more continuous. Different materials were laid out carefully but always connected back to the same natural concept, ensuring harmony throughout the house. When materials complement each other, the space feels effortless. This is when luxury feels comfortable instead of overwhelming. This project was about creating balance between openness and warmth, luxury and comfort, design and daily living. By opening up the layout, allowed natural lights to lead the design and grounded everything in natural elements. We created a home that feels bright, calm, and welcoming for the family. I'm Lynn, Senior Designer at 𝓜𝓪𝓼𝓽𝓮𝓻𝓬𝓵. Thank you for joining me.